When I first got started, y'all, I didn't get the proper help or proper training, so I was struggling. I was struggling so bad, y'all. Like, when I tell you guys, I'm thinking it's me whole time is my supplies that I'm using. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be going over or just showing you guys a little bit behind the scenes of me packing some of my students' orders, people who purchase lash kits from me. And if you're interested in starting your own lash business, stick around, you guys, because I will be dropping some gems in this video while I pack. So these lash kits that my students are receiving, y'all, these are a big part of my mentorship program where I teach aspiring lash techs how to start their own lash business and make bank. Now, I need y'all to understand this too. When it comes to you starting your lash business, you always want to make sure that you're investing to quality lash products. Everything has to be quality when you're a beginner. Because if it's not quality, you're going to be struggling and you're going to be trying to figure out, is it me? Is it lashes? And I'm not doing it right. You don't want to be like that, okay? So you, as a lash tech, you want to make sure quality over quantity. Always remember that, y'all. Quality over quantity, okay? So if you're a beginner, make sure your supplies, like your tweezers, your glue, and your lashes, those three things has to be quality if you want to be successful in the lash industry. All right, so we got a whole list of orders that we got to get shipped out, y'all. So I got to get my girls their lash kits. So the first order is going to be a combination lash kit. She didn't get no lash pad, so she's going to get the lash supplies. That's all she ordered. So I'm about to go ahead and pack that. Can we get it together? Get it together. So when I got into the lash industry, y'all, I didn't have access to resources like this. I didn't have access to a mentor or a community of like-minded individuals who want to do the same thing or learn the same thing that I want to learn. But I always tell myself, y'all, if I get to a point in my business to where I'm teaching people how to do lashes, I was going to make it affordable and easy for people to actually want to start their own lash business and want to actually learn how to do lashes. So I understand the struggle. You know what I'm saying? When I first got started, y'all, I didn't get the proper help or proper training. So I was struggling. I was struggling so bad, y'all. Like, when I tell you guys, I'm thinking it's me whole time is my supplies that I'm using. So when I made my lash kits, I made it to where my students will have access to literally everything they need to do and need that as a beginner. They're gonna have that. So I made that my thing for my business. So if you watching this right now, y'all, start that lash business, get started, work on your brand, work on your business, and I'm telling y'all, you are going to be surprised at how far and how fast and how big your business can grow and potentially become if you just start your lash business. So y'all, start that business. So as a lash tech, y'all, I always tell my beginners to try to refrain from ordering a lash kit off of Amazon or Shein. Ladies, that's the worst thing you can do for yourself if you really do want to try to start taking lashing seriously. Do not go the cheap route. When you order a lash kit from me, y'all, you're actually ordering a lash kit that comes with mentorship, a lash kit that's going to come with quality lash supplies. Y'all, everything that you need to get started, y'all, comes in this lash kit. Make sure you are always investing to quality things as a lash tech, okay? So when you order a kit from me, you're going to get one-on-one mentorship, and I'm so hands-on with you guys. So when you are my student, I'm legit going to be helping you guys one-on-one start, build, and grow so that you can get the proper help and the proper training that you are looking for as a beginner lash tech. When you order a kit from me, y'all, you're getting access to my one-on-one mentorship. You're getting hands-on online lash training classes from me where I'll be helping you personalize with your business. And then you're also going to get tools that you can use to start and use for your lash business right away. So everything that you need, y'all, I got it. I want y'all to succeed just as much as I want to succeed too, y'all. So I just honestly truly feel like we can all be thriving when it comes to lash extensions. It really doesn't matter where you at. So if you do want to start your lash business, get your lash kit from me. Now, y'all, it's a lot that goes into running a lash business, but it's all worth it, y'all, because at the end of the day, I be so happy when my students get their lash kits and I'm able to provide them with quality products. So again, y'all, at the end, it's all worth it.
Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride. Show me why.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more lash biz content, and if you are ready to start your lash business, drop a comment in the comment section below, or if you want to just say hey, say hey.
Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside the bed. Fucking it up like Lucy Days.
Now over here, y'all, is where I keep my storage area is. I keep all of my supplies in here, y'all, to stay organized. I recommend something like this, like a storage bin like this, or a clear bins, or you want to keep everything labeled as a lash set, y'all. So I keep most of my trays and stuff in here. This is how I stay organized. As you guys can see, this is literally how I stay organized and things like that. So you want to have something like this in your space just to keep everything organized. Now on this side right here, y'all, I haven't really did anything yet on this side, y'all. I don't know what I want to do yet. I think I'm gonna either turn this into like a cozy area for my clients, so like a little waiting area or something like that with comfy chairs, blankets, and some calming candles. I'm not sure yet, or I do want to turn this into probably maybe a store or something like that where I can have people come in and shop for products. I haven't decided what I wanted to do yet with this space, but this is the other side of my studio space, you guys. But as you guys can see, this is my full studio. Okay, I absolutely love it, y'all. And again, this is literally, y'all, I try to keep everything very minimalistic because I don't want a lot of stuff in my space. I don't want a big lash bed. I don't want any of that, y'all. I want it to be very simple, very cute, and this is literally how my space looks. Now I want to talk tools. So as a lash tech, it's very important for you to have a straight and a curved tweezer, y'all. These two things, you guys, is very important for you to actually start doing lashes. So always making sure you have a straight and a curved tweezer. Now, the next thing you need in your lash kit as a lash tech is definitely the lash glue. Now, I use the Ultra Hold Lash Glue from Minxs Lash brand. I absolutely love this lash glue, y'all, and the retention on this glue is crazy. So if you do need a good lash glue, I highly recommend this one. The next thing you will need in your lash kit as a lash tech is obviously the lash trays, you guys. So I keep a mixture of classic and volume mixed trays on hand for my business. So if you don't, I want you guys to start keeping classic and volume lash trays on hand in your lash kit. It's definitely going to be very helpful when you start having clients who do want different types of looks and things like that. So make sure you have your lash trays in your lash kit. Alright, y'all, and so the last thing you'll need, you guys, is your glue rings, your iPads, and your tape. Okay, so these three items, you guys, you never want to lash without these. These are your lifeline. You're always going to need these each and every time you do a lash set. So if you're a beginner lash set looking for some great quality products, I will link in the description box below my website where you can get the lash kits from, where I do offer quality lash products. Okay, now I just want to give you guys a pro tip. So good lighting and a clean professional setup is a non-negotiable for you as a lash set. So clients notice the little things like the smell of your room or how you organize your space. Make sure your space is inviting and reflect the quality of your work, y'all. So again, you always need to make sure that your space is very welcoming and it looks nice. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my studio. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. And if you don't forget to check out my lash kits and mentorship programs if you do need help on your journey. See you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way.